Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the source device, enable mobile data, and confirm a strong signal. Next, open settings right arrow hotspot and tethering and switch mobile hotspot on. Name the SSID and set a WPA2 password so the TV can join securely. Make sure to set a data limit if you need to control usage, because streaming quickly consumes megabytes and can hit carrier caps. Once done, note the exact SSID and password. You'll use them on the TV in the next step. Now, on your smart TV, go to Settings, then Network, and choose Wireless to scan for available SSIDs. Select the hotspot you created and enter the password carefully. Use a TV remote app for faster typing if available. Once connected, make sure the TV receives an IP via DHCP. Check signal strength on screen and move the phone closer if needed. Also remember to disable VPNs on the phone for initial setup, because they can prevent device discovery or block streaming authentication. To finish, play a short 3-minute video to confirm stable streaming and reasonable bitrate. Monitor mobile data usage so you don't exceed your plan. Make sure the phone stays powered, plug it into a charger, and keep the device within a few meters for best Wi-Fi signal. If something goes wrong, restart the hotspot and the TV or toggle airplane mode on the phone, then re-enable cellular. This clears IP and tethering glitches. If issues persist, check carrier tethering permissions and try a different AP band.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.